Hey, good morning, traders. Tuesday, November 22nd, 8:42 a.m. And here are your morning ideas. Hey, what's up, traders? We'll keep this one short today because in the morning ideas yesterday, I talked about how we'll most likely go back and forth. I'm still on delayed data. Can't get this corporate account stuff figured out on TradingView with Trade-of-8. So for the time being, you're probably a couple minutes, 15 minutes ahead of me. But nevertheless, it doesn't really matter. This market here yesterday, here's yesterday's trade. We talked about it being with 60% relative volume, very likely to go back and forth. And that's exactly what we saw. We just saw a market that opened up, went up, came down, went back up, and closed right in the middle. And then in the overnight session, we basically opened up right in the middle of, right on the VPOC from the previous day, which was yesterday, and just churned around. We went below, we came back up, we came back to the middle, and now we're pushing the highs. I wouldn't imagine that this thing keeps going. I think that this has a much better chance of falling back towards 39.60 and being another tight range. The volume is a little bit better today at 71%. You can see it down here in the red. That's the cumulative volume of the day, and then it takes the average over the last 20 days and says, how does today compare? And in this 15-minute slice, and so far the cumulative is 71%. So about 30% less than normal at this point in the day. And if we look at the big picture, and just to close that thought, when we have those kind of low volume days, it's more likely that we just go back and forth. There's no real driver in the market. We just go back and forth. Those days tend to be, I like to trade those days, from the outside in like this, looking to sell rallies. And let me see, let's just do one of these. So, and then this guy here, so I'm looking to sell extreme moves and buy extreme moves that go lower. So a lower move, an extreme move down would be bought, an extreme move up would be sold. And when I say extreme, it's just when you feel like the market is reaching. I like to trade these days. I think that they're actually much more predictable than sometimes there's wild. Everybody wants volatility, but a lot of times people can't handle that volatility, right? So big picture, we are right smack in the middle of where we've traded for the last 2 weeks, sitting right on top. I'll make this bigger. We're trading right on top of the VPOC right now, where we've traded the last 2 weeks. So again, this shows me that there'll likely be churn, market not going anywhere, up and down with low volume. Okay, like I said, we'll leave it short. A couple of days to Thanksgiving, the market will tend to slow down greatly as people start to take off and take Thanksgiving break. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Last thing about the Barstool Bowl promotion. Put a video out yesterday. I'll put it in the recommended videos after. Take a look at that if you want to go to Arizona in December. Some cool giveaway prizes there. But I'll talk to you guys all. You can leave comments on that video if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys all later.